Martha is headed with Impilo Semjondolo. She tells Jackson ukuba ndiyahamba ndiyakushiya. Jackson is confused. Where are you going? I'd say I've headed with you. I sacrificed a lot and now I'm homeless because of you. I even sacrificed my baby. I had another chance of becoming a mom, but you trusted Nguga for all for nothing. Just when she's about to leave, they get a phone call from Stan telling them that they must come to the hotel. And he sends over the hotel to Martha and says that he's erasing Squelette Sika Jackson. Petrina tells Mamiki that they are not on the same level anymore. She's the mayor's wife and Mamiki is beneath her. Pagati leaves this job for Caesar's ex-wife. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Martha is really hated. Ngimpila Semjondolo says that she is fed up. They live with cockroaches, ngamaphele, ama-insects, kunukumqhamu. Like, she cannot believe that she really followed Jackson to the gutter. After everything that I've done for you, you dragged me. One dragger, one is I'm tired of this place, Jackson. Ndiyahamba, ndiyakushiya. Jackson is wondering, uyahamba, what do you mean, we're happy? Where are you going to go? You don't have a place to stay. It's your fault I don't have a place to stay. That's after everything I've done for you, Jackson. And choosing you over and over again. This is where you've gotten me. And now I had another chance of becoming a mother, but you trusted that now I've lost my baby too. All for what? All for nothing. All for us to remain here ematshotshombeni, living like sihlupheka kanje and sihlala endlini enuka umqhamo. Ndiyahamba, Jackson, just carry my bags, I'm leaving. Just says she's about to leave, Stan phones to Jackson and request that they come to the hotel urgently for a meeting. And then Stan, after he actually strangled himself at night, busy hearing the voices, I told you to leave, I warned you to leave this place and never come back, realized I'm going to die here. And decided, come you guys, I'm handing over the hotel to you. I've headed with this place. I'm leaving town and I just want to get this hotel off my hands. They're shocked. And then Jackson wants to know, and then Squelette Sami, what's going to happen with my dad? I'm just going to put it off as a loss, and you see again, you don't owe me any more, Jackson. We're not Martha. What I mean is that I'm giving you your hotel back. They're shocked because what? Is this really happening? Are they really getting the hotel back? Yes, with immediate effect. Martha could not believe it until she sees the paperwork saying, good, so let's my paper. I want to see the paperwork. Quickly, Stan took out the paperwork, gave it to Martha. Jackson is still thinking, I want to read it so to make sure that I don't get myself into more debt. Martha was already signing it's signed and sealed. Martha is not going to waste time at a chance of getting her hotel back and says, good, I'm now back to being a full owner of the hotel. And you said Jackson does not owe you, has zero debt. And yes, I want nothing to do with this hotel. Like, strange things happen in this hotel. And I wash my hands off it. Like, angisafuni luto. Martha is thinking, now they're starting to notice, what did you see as strange things are happening in this hotel? They cannot believe what just happened. They just looked at each other like, what just happened? Jackson even picked up a whiskey that Stan left and says, now you can go back to drinking whiskey. And not the beer that they've been drinking, Lema Chochombeni. And then Petrina with this friend of hers, Koskazga Premier, Rosemary, she came to visit her. And now Petrina is trying to uphold this image because she wants to fit in a Premier's wife and change her whole lifestyle. Mamike comes over to visit her, only to irritate her because now she's busy wanting to be friends with Rosemary as well and saying that she also wants to attend a function that Rosemary is doing. Petrina didn't waste time and reminded her, yay, I'm now the mayor's wife. Mina ngilapha wena ulapha. We're not on the same level anymore. So nje, stay on your lane, girl. Stay on your lane. Umami could not believe it. Hey, utini Petrina. Yes, I'm the mayor's wife. Rosemary Ngoskazi ga Premier. So wena nje, I'll fit in now. Mamiki was hurt. First time seeing Mamiki because she's always playful and all, but she was so disappointed saying as Petrina has changed. You have really changed. At him was Kalisla, don't be manipulative. He even went and told Leroy. Leroy could not believe it. Yay. waze washintsha bomuntu after such a long friendship. And then uPhilile goes to see uPetuna. Petuna is going on and on about this Rosemary and saying that she has invited him to come and speak at her charity event. Uphilile is not thinking, no man, you shouldn't go since you're not fine. Ngapha uPetuna keeps on getting these cramps and she keeps on taking lama aspirin yakhe. Upetuna says, why don't you just go to Uphilile says, why don't you just go to the doctor? Akafuni ke doctor any. And it seems like she's pregnant and she keeps taking this aspirin. I hope she does not lose the baby because of this too much intake, saying, don't judge me, sis man, my cramps. And then Phakathi tells Sakhile that he wants to resign, leave his job. And Sakhile is wondering, why would you leave when some community? Why would you want to leave, quit your job? It's because of a woman. So Phakathi is leaving his job for ex-wife Kasiza. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.